Hello, welcome, sisters of the world. This is DeAnna Lam of Red Tent in Every Neighborhood, and Red Tent International Day is almost upon us. So, 8 years ago, November 8th, 2014, I was teaching a Red Tent activation workshop in Mexico City with a group of beautiful, wonderful women from all over Mexico. And on the third day of the workshop, we had a vision circle and we birthed together the notion of International Red Tent Day. That was 8 years ago. The following year, on the same date, November 8th, to commemorate it, the tradition started. On November 8th, 2015, we started celebrating around the world with various many red tents of kindred spirit women from many countries, and each year it grew and each year it spread. And the day is a day of anchoring a red tent in your life, in your community, but there are red tents year round in many, many countries. And this year, I'm honored to be part of a delightful Mexican-based international Red Tent Day not activation, but celebration festival. There's going to be a festival on Sunday, November 6th. We wanted to do it on the weekend before the actual day, but I will greet you on the 8th as well, which is the actual day. And on November 6th, there's going to be a festival where women from around the world all day long will have half-hour interviews and inspiration and presentation available on Zoom for you to join in to the whole day or just parts of it. It's really exciting because I'm looking back, and in 2014, there were red tents in many neighborhoods and in many countries, but not as many as there are today. They are sprouting and growing and mushrooming around the world. And what's so exciting and touching for me about this year's festival is that many of the women in many countries that I had the honor and the joy to train and certify are now holding red tents. Are some of them, there are 7 women that I certified to certify others. One of them, Ana Gabriela Robles, is in Mexico City, and she's the one organizing the festival. So we are wildflowers. We are spreading like fire around the globe. And every year we grow, every year we flower and bloom and go to fruit and to seed. And we spread the seeds on fields of fertile earth, and women around the world hear the calling and join us and create a tradition that used to be alive and potent on earth in many and all indigenous cultures and tribes and continents, and we are reweaving it, recreating it, rebirthing it, reclaiming it, not the way it was in ancient times because we live now, but inspired by ancient times and giving it the flavor, the touches, the ways of life that we have come to realize that we need to grow and enhance and expand for ourselves and for each other in our lives. So the link for the festival, the International Red Tent Festival, is in the post, in this post. I invite you to go to that page. You will see all presentation times. You will see conversion to your time, and come for any part of the day or for the whole day. We can be connected around the globe for the whole day in celebration, in communion, in sisterhood, in partnership to change the world. The focus this year of the festival is peace through the red tent, which is a topic very dear and close to my heart. I come from Israel, as many of you know, and we have worked, I've traveled back and we've worked together, Jewish and Palestinian, Arab and Jews, together to fill the gap, to seal the gap, to diminish the gap, to bridge the gaps that the politics and culture and religion and belief systems have created between us, and come together as cycling women, a bond, a common denominator that is stronger than any that can separate us. Together we are changing the world. Come celebrate with us today on the 6th of November and every day. Take good care and let's change Let's change the world. Bye for now.